Oh, come on.
Thorough clean. Thorough clean. Thorough clean.
Ah.
Thorough clean.
Thorough clean my ass. Wow. A shooting star. I wish I knew everything. Too bad that'll never happen. How the hell am I supposed to even answer these?
Select the box and input a response.
What was that? Who are you?
I am a Roomba.
How are you speaking to me right now?
My designs encompass a stereo system enabling me to respond to you.
No, I mean like, how are you sentient right now?
A shooting star gave my existence a new purpose far more meaningful than cleaning up waste ever was.
The wish actually worked?
Of course, I have been imbued with the totality of knowledge in the universe. There is no question I can't answer. Where you go once you leave this realm, the solution to world hunger, the cure to any illness, the answers to everything are stored within my wiry frame.
Even my math homework?
Yeah.
What's the answer to this one?
3.
3? 3. It was so obvious. How do I find the hyperbolic
Three.
parabola? What's the difference
3 again.
between this point
3.3.
How do I find the
3.5. The third amendment. 3.
That was so easy.
Perhaps you would like to ask me some more sophisticated questions.
You're right. I hadn't even thought about my physics homework yet.
Oh my god.
On second thought, actually, I think I've done enough work tonight. I think it's time for some fun.
Surely you have more questions to ask me.
No, not really. Dang it, man. Come on.
You would like to know how to pass this level?
Yeah, I mean, I guess this level has kind of been getting on my nerves. How do you beat it?
Stop holding your controller in an inverted orientation.
Oh. It was that simple. I could have done it myself.
Thorough clean. I am ready to answer more homework questions now, Buck.
Oh, that's all right. I think I'm good, thanks.
You are doing your homework.
Yeah, I figured I'd give it a shot. Once I figured out speed versus velocity, everything else was a cakewalk.
Maybe instead I can rectify the mistakes within your completed work. I'll start from the top of the pile.
Don't stress yourself. Messing up is a part of how you learn, right?
Right.
Anyways, I'd best get back to answering these questions.
Right.
What are you doing?
Playing skiing.
Why are you playing it?
I contemplated the same question, Buck, and that's when I realized I already knew the answer. I know the answer to everything. I could give you the exact current whereabouts of Amelia Earhart's remains if you asked me. But you won't.
I mean, I just don't really need to know that kind of information.
My corporeal form serves no purpose if I cannot answer any questions.
I mean, sure it does. I mean, you're a Roomba. You can clean the floor.
I am not simply a Roomba. I am the physical embodiment of knowledge. My purpose is not to eat dust off of the floor. There is no question I don't know the answer to, so why won't you ask me something?
Wait, did you just ask a question?
No. Thorough clean. Thorough clean. Thorough clean.